current divider example 1. For example, you have 4 resistors connected in parallel. So you will have I node equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. So it will have 4 branches according to 4 resistors. To calculate I1, I2, I3 and I4, you can use the formula. I1, for I1, it will be 1 over R1 over 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. For example, this one is R1, this one is R2, this one is R3, this one is R4. So to calculate the I1, so 1 over R1 over 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4 times by I know. So in this case, to calculate I1, 1 over 2 because R1 is 2 ohm over 1 over R1 which is 1 over 2 ohm plus 1 over R2, R2 is 4 ohm plus 1 over R3 which is R3 is 6 ohm plus 1 over R4 which is R4 is 8 ohm. So you calculate them with the I node is 12 ampere, so times by 12 ampere, you get I1 is 5.76 ampere. So then you can calculate the I2. I2 is 1 over R2. This one is 1 over R2. This one is 1 over R1, 1 over R2, 1 over R3, 1 over R4. Okay, 1 over R2. R2 is 4 ohms. So 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2 ohms plus 1 over 4 ohms plus 1 over 6 ohms plus 1 over 8 ohms. So you get 2.88 ampere. For I3 is I node times 1 over R3. So this one is 1 over R3. R3 is 6 ohm. 1 over 6 over 1 over R1 which is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 8 ohm. You calculate them, you got 1.92 ampere. For the I4, R4 is 8 ohm. So this one is 1 over R4, 1 over R1, 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. So calculate them, you got 1.44 ampere. So if you total I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4, it will be 12 ampere. Will be the same with the I node.